Alright, hello everyone. Today we are going to do prepping to sit for meditation. I like to warm up kind of and then, stretch a bit. So rather than just telling you to sit, we're going to do some seated stretching and then 5 minutes silent meditation. I'll try to do 5 minutes warm up, 5 minutes meditation. Use the video as a timer. At the end of the video, I'll leave a minute extra and you can kind of get off or pause it if you want to go longer, or pack up and go whenever you're ready. So let's go. So what I want you to do is find a comfortable way to sit. In general, people would just sit kind of cross-legged. Me personally, I like to bring left in and then put the right just kind of in front of it. This gets you a nice low knee position, which is always comfortable. And I always like to wiggle it. So wiggle this foot in, treat yourself like you're trying to figure it out. Wiggle, get the ankle in. I like this position a lot where my ankles are up on the pillow and on my other foot, and then sometimes I'll even wiggle forward a bit, so it's like, locked in place. But whatever feels comfortable for you. If you can't, this is okay. So just try to get your back nice and high, and sit on something always helps. Even this is okay. And then if your hips have really got problems, you can kind of start with one, bend this one a little bit, push them, gradual, get there eventually. All right, so whatever position you want, my suggestion, left foot. I like to put it on this pillow and then push down. Then it like kind of rotates, which is always a comfortable feeling for me. And then you can kind of shift forward, half sit on your foot, half sit on the pillow. Take the other foot, bring it in, put the heel on the ankle, and it will do the same rotation. This took me very long to get comfortable. My hips were really sore. It's been months of meditating to get them to feel so comfortable. So find your own way. And then you'll see this bottom foot, I kind of walk it on the floor, forward, which rotates this ankle more and gives me some space. All right, 5 minutes. We're going to warm up. So to start, hands on the legs, close your eyes, drop the shoulders, sit nice and tall. Imagine the strings pulling your head up. And then just breathe. Feel the motion go up and down as you inhale, exhale. Let the first few breaths be kind of untidy. We're still getting used to ourselves and used to the breathing. Get out of the mindset of our busy lives and family and work and money and stress. Good. Now just with your knees, push down with your hands. Shrug the shoulders up, pull the shoulders down. Just kind of create some tension in your back. Feel the things around. Tuck your head down. Push your chest forward, pull back with the hands on the knees. Just work the body a bit. Now we're going to twist, so push the right shoulder forward, push into the hand, just lean a bit forward, feel the stretch. Twist even, use the left hand to twist. And then we change, so swap the sides, push into the knees, create some stretch in the shoulder. I don't know why my neighborhood got this loud after this. I actually filmed this already, and when I got to the end I saw it was off. So all the meditation was out. So here we go again. Life. Good. Come back to center. Let's go arms up. So take your hands, interlace them. Flip the arms up. I want you to reach forward with your head rather than push it down. Pull the shoulders backwards. Arch the back a little bit. Feel the tension. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, we're going to round. So drop the head down with your arms around the back, kind of cat-cow, and then slide forward. Reach forward with your fingertips. Go over your hips just a little bit. Try and make it kind of easy to hold. Don't overthink the shape. Maybe crawl the fingers forward if that feels nice. Maybe walk the fingers back towards the legs. Figure out what position you can hold. Good. Now walk your hands back a little bit. So you're kind of at a 45-degree angle with your body. Open the fingers. Pull backwards on the floor. Lift the chest. Pull the chest forward. Lift the head. Breathe in. Pull the shoulder blades down, relax. Good, and when we're round, we're going to push our back backwards, pull our hips forward, tuck our head down, exhale. So, seated cat-cow. So, leaning up forward, pull the hands down, pull the chest forward, relax the shoulders, relax everything, elbows, and then push away, push the hips forward, exhale, round. Let's do 2 more on your own. Kind of expand and grow into it. Push and round. Good. Walk your hands to the left. Take your right hand up. So in your side fold like this. Hang your head, push the floor away with the bottom hand. Reach up to the sky and then slightly bend. And now we're going to go forward and around. So go forward, ride the tension. Think about just sitting in the tension, enjoying it. Go around. Right hand to the floor, left hand up. Hang a little bit, enjoy the shape. Good. Now with your breath, exhale forward. Come up, inhale. Exhale forward. Round up. One more time, exhale forward. Maybe go a bit further than normal. Put your hand right behind your back, reach up. From here you can't see, but bend the back elbow and see if you can twist your shoulder and your back. And then come up to center, put that right hand on the knee. Sit nice and tall, breathe in, and then twist. Good. And we're going to flow around. So, round. Come up, put your hand nicely behind you. Up, twist, bend the back elbow, feel the shoulder stretch, feel the twist in the lower back. Good. Come up, left hand to the knee. Sit nice and tall, breathe in. And then twist to the back. Good. That's it. Turn forward, arms up. Flip the shoulders again. We're going to do one more thing. Just arch your back and kind of make like a circle. So your ribs and your stomach go the opposite way to your hands. Try explore the range of your shoulders, especially towards the back. Good. One more. Reach up. Feel the effort. And we're going to go forward. One more time. Maybe onto your forearms and hang your head this time. Your arms have done enough. Just over 5 minutes. Nice. So always good to get a like quick stretching in your day. And I mean that took less than 5 minutes. So decide how you want to sit. You can sit how we were sitting or you can change it up. And we're going to do Dana Mudra for hands. So we're going to do left hand, right hand, thumbs. Kind of making a little circle. It's a really nice one for meditation. I always see mudras as like a distraction for our ADD brain. So, you know, you kind of want to fiddle. So when you're holding this like known to be respectful hand symbol, you tend to not move so much. Also, seeing as the intention behind Dhyana Mudra is often just, you know, meditation, this is a good one to learn. I'm also learning, I'm going through them as I go, but this one we've been working on for a while and it's quite nice. So what I want you to do is think of this as a distraction. Think of the counter weight of your thumbs pushing inwards and your hands resting. So they're all just holding each other. And then your forearms are like on your leg and they just weighted down. And you can feel if you relax your shoulders, the weight goes more into your arms, into your hands. Now just start to adjust. So sit a bit taller. The tallness helps a lot with breathing in your stomach, as well as just being tall is better. And while we sit here in silence, you'll feel your back kind of round. You won't even know it. You'll feel like you're sitting straight, and then just adjust. Kamak. Adjust. Drop shoulders away. Imagine you're being pulled up through your head. Good. Right. Let's do 5 minutes silence. So I'll cue you for the first minute or two and then we're just going to be quiet. If you need to go, you can go. You can just pause the video before it ends. Otherwise a big YouTube ad's going to pop up. So breathe. Relax. Keep dropping the shoulders. See how little effort you can do. Notice the air go in and out. Let your eyelids feel heavy. Closing your eyes is my preference, but you can kind of gaze at the floor or the grass. It's also okay. If my dog starts barking, I apologize. But try and do 5. If you can't do 5, that's okay. At least you're stretched. Come back tomorrow, try it again, see how you feel. Every day we'll experience a bit different, go a bit deeper, learn your body a bit more. Just show up, push play. The rest will happen. So keep dropping your arms down, your shoulders down. Feel the weight on your forearms. Relax your wrists, don't worry about the shape of your hands. Maybe give them a final adjustment. And just sit and breathe. Try to listen to what you can hear, close by, far away. Hear my noises around me, hear your noise around you. You're always welcome to stretch and adjust. We got 2.5 minutes left, so I'm going to stop talking. And I'll see you guys on the next video. You have 1 minute left. So if you're going to sit longer, it's a good time to pause the video so it doesn't get all loud. If you need to go, in 1 minute we can end. See if you can go a bit deeper, relax a bit more. Allow yourself a final minute. If you're going to leave, take some big breaths before you go. Wake yourself up, move a little, and then walk off. If you're going to stay, just keep melting in. Pause the video. Don't just jump up and go get the blood back in there. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.